How to post photos on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update TikTok to the latest version. After updating TikTok, open up TikTok on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now tap on gallery or simply click a picture. Now make sure to select the photos. Now simply tap on next. Now tap on post at the bottom right corner. If you want to upload the photo, simply go back. Now tap on gallery. Now select your photo and tap on next. Again tap on next. Now click on post. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.